Sol Vista, that's where we're headed. We're going to Sol Vista.
In half a mile, turn left onto Sol Vista Drive.
Alright, so Sol Vista. So this thing, I guess it's not a cell phone tower. I think this is the cell phone tower that, or should I say, I thought it was a cell phone tower from far away, but it doesn't look like it. It's some kind of radio tower. I don't know. Awfully close to the damn homes, though. At least those homes over there. We got two builders here. We got LGI and Lennar. And Lennar is one of those builders where if you go alone, if you email them, if you call them, if you text them, if you do anything, you know, you can lose your paid for by the builder realtor representation. And you lose it, and that's it, and you're just totally out. So you lose all the benefit of that. The place is really jammed up and looks really small. Yeah, this looks like a little small section over here. Just always keep that in mind. You lose it, so right then and there, you're at a huge disadvantage. Now, oh, here comes a car. So straight ahead, you can see the blue. They're building cement block on top and wood frame, and that's Weather Logic. Okay, so Weather Logic and Zip Systems is extremely similar to the install. And that's one of those installations where if they do it wrong, the odds are your house is going to leak. So you have siding on top of Weather Logic. So it could be fantastic, you know, both of those, the Weather Logic and the Zip Systems, they could be, you know, amazing. But it has to be taped up right and sealed right. That's something that you have to understand. Just want to point that out because it's so common that I see that like everywhere. I see issues with it. Alright, so it looks like this is going to go to some kind of dirt road or maybe a private road, I don't know. This community is pretty well built up, as you can see. Probably some homes left, but probably not too many. Just wanted you to see it. And again, we are in Dundee, Florida. So Dundee's very rural looking, I guess you could say, or like a farmish look. Yeah, you can see all these empty home sites here. For, you know, whichever builder owns them. Oh, those trusses are nice and bowed, the way they're laid out. Look at that. Completely bowed. And those are your roof trusses. You don't want trusses that are bowed, that's for sure. Sometimes when they install them and they're all bowed and screwed up in various homes. So it's something that you want to catch.
Continue straight onto West Main Street, then turn left onto Dundee Road.
So there's a little shopping area over in Dundee, Florida. I don't know if this is considered, if it's considered a downtown or not. The town hall and the library is to the left over here. There it is, right there, town hall, library.
Take the next left onto Dundee Road.
You know, the thing with Florida is that it has a lot of their old towns and yeah, okay, so here's the, oh, they got a stop sign, okay.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Old Highway 542.
The Dundee Depot Historic Museum, whatever it is. And decided to drive around this just to kind of see the train. Pretty interesting. Pretty cool. Florida has some, you know, pretty nice history, I guess you could say. Small little places like this, you know, museums and stuff scattered around the state. Some of these things, though, you know, aren't open every day, obviously, because they just, you know, they can't afford to keep it open because there's just not enough people going to see it.
Turn left onto Shepherd Avenue, then turn left onto Center Street.
Town of Dundee, yeah, historic Dundee Depot Museum. So that's the thing with Florida, you know, it's trying to explain that. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to explain and drive, but...
Take the next right onto Old Highway 542.
You know, there's a lot of these little areas that are considered like a downtown or a historic
In 800 feet, turn right onto Old Highway 542. Take the next right onto Old Highway 542, then continue straight onto Lemon Street.
Lemon Street, okay.
Continue
The shores of Lake Dell. That's this is over here. Richmond, American. Richmond definitely has some of the nicest floor plans. A lot of quick move-ins over here. A lot of quick movements. And some homes that are being built, of course. And of course, you know, it's all about construction. You know, over here they're building cement block with wood frame on the second floor. Very small little section too. Yeah, a lot of quick move-ins. And that's what I do. I help my buyers from start to finish. So where other realtors can't help after the contract because they don't understand construction, I can help. So up there on the left, they're building with Typar. Building with Typar house wrap. You can see that. Okay. Now Typar house wrap is arguably or debatably one of the best house wraps that you could find. The only problem is the only problem with it is that you can't go and, like, you know, destroy it. You can't go and, like, crinkle it and crumple it or whatever, because then it loses its ability to keep the water off the house. So, and whoever got that end house has a beautiful, nice view. Oh, it's a quick moving. It's still available. Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this again. So here we go. Quick moving. Yeah, this house right here on the end. What a nice view they would have. Sit out front and look at this view of the lake. Beautiful. It's not open house day. I think tomorrow's open house day. What was today open house day? So yeah, so this end house Yeah, so like I was saying, if you're sitting out front, can't ask for a better view. No side neighbors.